Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, if you watch my channel, you know that of late I've been way into my pom-poms and way into my tassels. And so today I'm going to combine the two and make this adorable little pom-pom tassel doll. And I'm going to show you how to make one right now. For this project, you'll need two pipe cleaners, one cut to 5 inches long, the other left normal length, yarn, a 3x4 piece of cardboard, one 5/8 inch or larger bead with a 4mm opening, one Sharpie pen, fine, and one pre-made small pom-pom, see the link below, and scissors. So to start, we've got our little pre-made pom-pom, and make sure you check out the link. This is made on a fork, and so you're going to want to make sure you have that ahead of time. We're going to make a tassel, a real quick one here. This is a 3x4 inch piece of foam core, but you can also use cardboard, whatever you got. And you're going to wrap this around 40 times. Now, the only thing that's different about this than other tassels is we aren't going to use string to tie it off. Instead, we're going to use the pipe cleaner. So take your really long pipe cleaner and slide it underneath where you would normally tie off with a piece of thread and fold it up like the letter J. See, there's the letter J. So then squeeze this really tight and then twist. And you want to twist really, really tight. See how that yarn is pulling in together? That's what you want. You want it to pull in nice and tight. Then slip it off. And then you can cut this little extra piece off. And just floof it down. There you go. And you don't have to cut this yet. You can cut that towards the end. Now we're going to take one of these beads and slide it on to be the head. Now, I have found, I love these beads, but these are natural raw beads. And the problem with these beads that I discovered as I was making my project is that their faces bleed. That the Sharpie pen bleeds into that. So if you're going to be using paint, an acrylic paint or something to make your face, that's fine. Otherwise, try to go with a bead that's been cured or has like a acrylic on it. So now I'm going to, like a shellac. So now I'm going to slide my bead down, and I'm going to want to leave, about a thumb's length for the body there. And now I'm going to take my little fork-made pom-pom. And if you don't know how to make one of these, just go to the link below and that'll show you how. And in that video, I say to leave the string on, the center string on, and this is one of the reasons why. Because this is going to show me where the center is. So see how this is going to wrap around and tie that tight? So these two pieces of thread show me where the center is. The center is right there. And I'm going to take my, let's put it down here so you can see it. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and I'm just going to push it right on through. And see, it's going to come on right on out the other end. And then I'm going to pull this down. Now, pull your head up to where you want it to be. Pull this down to where you want it to be. And then flip this over. And what you want to do is pull this up and over through the hair. And then you're going to push it back through the bead. This is why you want a bead with a big hole. Okay, so now, see how that's looped up and over? Now pull it tight, and see that pulls the hair right up and onto the body. Now, cut off that extra because you don't need it anymore. Now you're going to take your arms. This is what that 5-inch one was for. So hold it a little off center and just wrap it around once and twice, and that's going to give you your arms. Now take this, all this extra is going to make your body. So go up and then around the shoulder. So you saw I went up and around the shoulder. One more time. Up and around the shoulder. And now we're going to wrap it around to make the body. So I'm just going to wrap it around and around and around and around. Try to get the string out of there. And around. Then I can come back up. And go up and around those shoulders again, and around, and then just lock it down by pushing it down. Now, if you've got some small beads and you want to do this, you can use these for little hands. I have these 2 little beads here. I can just put those right there and then just fold that edge up and over. Or you could put a little dab of hot glue if you wanted to and just fold that up and over. And now all she needs is a little face. And so I'm going to take my little Sharpie pen here and I'm just going to give her a little face. Give her some eyes and a nice smile. And then if you want to, you can cut these loops so that she becomes a tassel. Now some people like to leave the loops, and that's fine too. It's really up to you. But there you go. A couple more loops there. There you got your little hula girl. And there you have it, your very own cute little Pom Pom Tassel girl. And you know, she kind of reminds me of like one of those little hula dancers. If you like ideas like this, make sure you leave us a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, and share us with your friends. And for more fun, yarnful ideas, come and check us out, Sophie-World.com.